perfection. And for the rest, we're doing another custom art. It's called Virtual Restyle, which I might have to, which I think that might take me 1 hour to complete, so I might just split it into 2 videos. So let's get to it. It's telling us to fail this parkour. Because if I don't fail it, then I'll lose. Let's try to fail it. 1, 2. Yeah! Yeah, I'm dead. Now on stage. Now on stage 2. So let's just get to this part. Now let's just get to this part. Not stage 2. Damn it. Oh, I've got so I got separated again. Again, now I'm dead. So now I'm in stage 3. Getting killed by E6 full out. Wait, how did I die so quickly? So now stage 5 or 4. D4. Stage 5. It's a job where you have to die. It's 6 here, so if this happens, first video, you might please subscribe, join Team Wild Stable David gameplay videos. And now they're going to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye!